Anyone happy? You know, this is the program that I've created that for me is an adrenaline junkie, seriously. Adrenaline junkie, yung parang yung kada ugat mo pumuputok. And really, I love sales so much. Okay? It's because of one thing. Ask me what? How many of you here, the reason why you're here is because you want your business to go to the next level. You want your career to go to the next level. You want to make money, yun na lang. Okay, I'm gonna guarantee you one thing. Ask me what? You master sales, you will never be poor for the rest of your life. Nasa ng campaign sheet. I will not execute anything without a campaign. That by next 30 to 60 days, all of the programs. In a moment, I want you to choose his partner A and B. Go ahead. As you choose his partner A and B, I want you to sit as close as you can. We're only gonna base everything in this day based on result. What do you think has been blocking you from going into that next level that you aspire? So pag mo, nag-flex ka dyan ang Louis Vuitton, for example, tingin nyo may pakiyan? Meron wala. Bakit? It's no longer something they aspire to. So their money is not their problem. So pag naglagay ka ng testimonial of how somebody made money, will they be inspired? It's normal for them. What is their major problem? Time.
Paano ko naman kain kasi nga sobrang gusto ko makinig kay Coach Smith.
Everybody take a deep breath as you exhale. Good morning.
Good morning.
Excited for this? Yeah. The major mistake of a lot of people is you want to be unique and different. What's the problem with being unique and being different? Ask me what? The problem with being unique is it is untested.
My name is Julie.
Tinatawag dito, may nakaka-relate, no?
Bakit gusto mo nang matutunan yung branding? Ano ba yung effect nito sa iyong negosyo? Or ano yung gusto mo bang ma-accomplish dito? So I'm not gonna be asking for you to follow up connections. Are we clear? Here's what I want you to do. These are the 3 people that you will call to or you will chat to, depending on where your business resides. Some of you, tumawag kayo. Some of you, nag-chat, mag-chat kayo. Pero kung may opportunity tumawag, mas maganda. Am I clear? Official Philippine time right now is 7:02. Come back on the 15th minute and get ready for your sales calls. Go ahead, guys. Kapag di sumasagot, move to the next. Give me that first sale, guys. Give me that first sale. Another one. Take that last call, that last shot. 10, 9, 4. Take that last call, guys. We're gonna take that last call. Palakpakan niyo naman sarili niyo. Have a good night, everybody. God bless you. Bye-bye.